Hi, Kevin here. Today I'm going to show you guys how to fix a sticky shifter in a 2020 Tacoma. So basically what it is it's actually really hard to get it to change gears. So once you turn it on, it's actually, you got to kind of force it to kind of move around, and it's like it's binding. So I'm going to show you guys how to fix that.
So right up underneath the driver's side, there's a linkage. This linkage here gets sticky. As you can see, my truck's not even that old and it's already starting to rust out. So what I'm going to spray on it is some lithium grease. So you're going to get some lithium grease. So you're going to spray it all over like that. I couldn't show you spraying the lithium grease on because it was really awkward to get to. But basically you're just going to take the can like that. I don't know if you can even see the nozzle. And then you're just going to spray it. I'm going to get both hands up in there. And you're going to spray it all over that connection point. And then you go back in the truck and you're going to move it in and out of gear a little bit and help lube it up. And if you have to, reapply the lithium grease. And you should be good to go. So we'll go back inside. We'll move the transmission around a little bit and see if we can lubricate it up. And then we'll see if that makes a difference.
So this is what I used. 3-in-1 for professional white lithium grease. So you can pretty much use any type of white lithium grease you like. Just over and saturated, it's fine, and cover it all up. Okay, so we're back in the truck. We got the truck on. So all you're gonna do is you're gonna move it around a bit. And you're basically just lubricating the joint by moving it around. Help getting it on. And actually it feels better already. There you go. So now it feels better already. So what was the problem? It was kind of sticking here, and here it was really hard. Now it's actually just going nice and softly into each gear. Okay, so I hope that helps you out. If you end up ever having sticky shifter going in from to reverse, neutral, and drive, check that connection point down there on the transmission. And it's probably just sticking and seizing up a little bit. Overspray it with lithium grease, help keep it lubricated or protected in the winter and things like that. Okay, hope this helps you out. Take care.